And what is up, guys? Technicals here. It's been a while since we've done a salad update, so I'm going to go over what I've been earning on Salad. If you're unfamiliar, Salad's a AI distributed compute type platform where you use your computer instead of like mining for cryptocurrency. You use it to do AI workload type things. It's all the rage right now because mining cryptocurrency, not so great. So I'm going to take a look at what I've been earning on Salad, and I encourage everybody else to comment below what you've been doing with Salad, if anything at all. I'm the Technicals. Let's get into it. And once again, if you're not already, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Follow along on my salad saga. So currently I've only got the 6 salad rigs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. This one behind me is on a 3080 Ti. All my rigs are 4070s. All my rigs have 64 gigabytes of system RAM. Now I did a video a while back where I said system RAM matters just as much as VRAM, and that's in my experience. I've had several people comment saying they upgraded to 64 gigs of system RAM and they're not getting the workloads. Hey, it's all, we're all special snowflakes. We're all individuals here. I notice all my systems, when I upgrade them to 64 gigs of RAM, I get the ability to get those $4.25 something, $4.50 jobs. Now, if you've got a sort of lesser GPU, lesser other system things, then maybe that's less for you, but that's my experience. On top of that, I'm starting to get a little sus here. I'm starting to think in my mind with my noodle that maybe Salad's doling out jobs based on account, because when you do Salad and you have multiple rigs, you send them all to the same account. And I've kind of noticed that in any one given time, I only ever, out of my 6 rigs, have like 2, maybe 3 systems that are pulling a job. The other ones are always on calculating. I don't think I've ever seen it go above that, and my earnings history would support that because I top out at like $12 a day. That's kind of like the max I've ever done. And I've had systems go up and down. I had the farm flood. If you've been watching the channel, you can see that here. These 2 days is where the farm flooded and only had the one going. But that would make sense to me in terms of like if I was Salad and trying to keep everything fair. I don't want, heavy hitters coming in with a whole bunch of machines sucking up all the jobs, and then all the normies that you want to encourage to come to your platform because of you want, that pool of people there ready at a moment's notice to take on the workload. You don't want that to happen. So it would make sense to me that they would put something on the back end to dole out jobs by account and not necessarily by machine. I have zero evidence to support that whatsoever, and I don't know how I would get such evidence unless Salad came out and be like, oh yeah, that's exactly what we do, and it's right here in the notes. And maybe I just missed it, I don't know, but it makes sense to me because I've got these 6 machines and never have I had them all chooching at one time. It's always been maybe 2 or 3. So if you know anything about that, let me know in the comments below. Does that make sense? Let me know if I'm just cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs on that one, but that seems like it would make sense to me. Anyway, taking a look at the earnings. Again, I had those couple days of downtime. This is the 30-day. Again, like I was saying, $12. That's kind of where I would like absolutely top out. And I watch other creators, mainly Brandon Coin, when he does his Salad updates. And I try to, I kind of have a baseline in my head of what he makes when he's going full bore on all his machines. And I compare that to kind of like my current situation, and I kind of see myself going down, proportionally speaking, at the same rate that he does. And then when people comment in the videos like, Salad earnings are terrible right now, it kind of seems like everyone's following that same. In the high tide, all boats rise. Well, in the low tide, everybody stinks like dirty seawater. It kind of seems like we're all in, have a shared fate when it comes to this kind of thing. So any notion that influencers are getting all the good jobs, if everyone's going to accuse me of that, Salad, can you just start sending me all the good jobs? Because everyone's convinced that's what goes on. So send them my way, Salad. Send them my way. It's not like I'd get any referral rewards anymore because they nuked the referral program. As far as other news goes, you have to update to 1.6.2 because they turned off container workloads unless you update. So back when I said, one of the keys to Salad earnings is to not update so you get the workloads while everybody else gets in the back of the line. Can't do that anymore. You got to update before you get the load. So when you see a Salad update come out, unless you're on a job right that second, you know, maybe go ahead and just update and get in the back of the line and start taking it in like everybody else. But anyway, I only check my salad rigs about once a day. And, you know, because I have one system that just kind of goes down. I turned updates off. I'm not sure what it is. I reset the BIOS. So it's not like, you know, overclocked memory or overclocked CPU or undervolted CPU or anything like that. You know, they're all stock like they would be out of the box. But one just keeps restarting. But I just start it up again every morning. And sometimes it stays up, sometimes it doesn't. But overall, 761 in the past 24 hours. It's not bad. And, you know, there's just a lack of alternative right now. Mining crypto with GPU, CPU, you're not making anything. Salad rigs pull like, you know, on average, like 100, 150 watts. They're not pulling the full TDP of your GPU, CPU all the time like they would be with mining cryptocurrency. And so Salad, you know, I don't even have to do the math to know that Salad's making more. Now, and you know, of course, you're not going to get that upside, that 100x, that 10x, whatever, because you're getting paid out in US dollars. Now, if you want to take that and go buy cryptocurrency, you do what you please. But, you know, for me, it's a great thing to have during this downtime, because I don't know what I'd just turn off if that was otherwise, or I'd be looking into more speculative plays. But honestly, when I look at a lot of these more stable, solid, well-established coins that are GPU mineable right now, and I ask myself, am I confident that these are going to last? Are these going to survive? Are they going to eke it out until the next bull run, if and when that is? I don't know. You know, Narod, Chlor, any of these that have been kind of like staple mining coins for a while, I just don't know. You know, because these developers, they gotta be getting a little something, you know, to keep developing, and no one's gonna invest in the coin unless they're actively developing. So it's kind of this, you know, downward spiral, this, you know, cursed chicken and eggs type situation, I guess. So I don't know, but in the meantime, Salad doing well. Love to know what you guys' experience is with it in the comments below. Like this video, because that's the nice thing to do. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, I'm TheTechnicals. See you next time.